Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this 2018 Q50 that we have for sale. This is a vehicle that's local, one owner clean Carfax. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. And it is a vehicle that we acquired off lease from Infinity Financial. And you might be wondering, why would a 18 come in off lease so soon? Well, people do want to get out of their leases early. Sometimes they lease a vehicle, and just like buying a vehicle, they want to trade it in for something else. But with leases, it's a little bit different. You don't always trade it in. If the dealership that the vehicle is taking the vehicle on trade-in doesn't want to trade in the lease, it just gets turned back in early to Infinity Financial, and they make it available for sale to stores like us. With only 4,031 miles, obviously we jumped at the opportunity to have this beautiful example for our inventory. It's been serviced and checked by our Infinity certified techs. Not much to do. I don't think it's even ready for its first oil change of only 4,000 miles. Usually it's 5,000 miles is the first oil change. And 18 is a great year for the Q50 because it got a number of revisions, restyled interior and exterior. You have this beautiful wood trim on this example. Usually you'd have to get a higher trim level in the earlier Q50s to get this nice gorgeous wood trim. You have a drive mode selector to tailor the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings to the type of driving that you want to do or the type of driving that you're encountering right now. Maybe you're driving in the snow. And with intelligent all-wheel drive, this is a great vehicle to drive in the snow. Two screens. The top screen is for the clock, backup camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can adjust the climate control there. This one also has a moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, a very nice leather steering wheel. The steering wheel tilts and it telescopes. Really nice color combination on black. This one has a nice set of 18-inch wheels, new alloy wheel design as well for 2018. Even though the Q50 is considered a compact vehicle, it is very spacious on the inside. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height, and I still have plenty of legroom behind. Not always the case on some of the competition. Rear seat space can be quite small on some of the other vehicles. So if you have people that ride in your back seat, Q50 is a great vehicle to consider. This one also has the all-weather package, so it comes with these factory all-season floor mats and this factory trunk mat. With our wet weather, carpeted floor mats have a tendency to get destroyed fairly quickly, so those all-season mats are a nice plus. This Q50 also comes with a lifetime powertrain warranty. That's something extra we do on select pre-owned Infinitis. And that lifetime powertrain warranty is good at any Infiniti store in the country or Canada or any AC certified mechanic. Of course, you still have the balance of a 4-year 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 6-year 70,000 powertrain warranty, so it's quite a while before the factory warranty runs out. This one also features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet slippery weather, even the Pacific Northwest. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. That gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. This is a performance automobile. It helps a little bit with gas mileage, and it helps a little bit with premature tire wear, which sometimes can be an issue of all-wheel drive vehicles. But this Q50 has a brain that's always monitoring driving situations, so as soon as those rear wheels slip in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. It also can split the power from left to right. The heart of the Q50 is this new VR30 engine. We first saw this arrive in the Q50 in 2016, replacing the aging 3.7 liter V6, also known as the VQ37 engine. It's more fuel efficient and has more low-end torque than the VQ37 V6 it replaces. Very smooth, makes 300 horsepower, fantastic engine. Come in, take this Q50 up for a spin. I think you'll be very impressed, and thanks for taking the time today to watch this video.